Hello there everybody and welcome. My name is Nicolette. I am so sorry that we have been out of commission for the past few weeks. I've had a busy past few weeks. Busier than I think I anticipated having. I had a friend who moved from the other side of the country to California, and so I helped her do a giant move and all of that, and just did not have the time or the patience or the energy to film any videos, let alone edit any videos over a 2-week process of moving, driving, all of that. But we are back. I did want to do at least one more video before the Halloween season. And then I also have the last member of KISS, Peter Criss, coming up soon as well. Just waiting for one color to come in the mail, and once it comes, then we can knock that out. But let's go ahead and jump into this video. Today, as you can tell by the thumbnail, I am doing Miss Morticia Addams from the Addams family. I'm going to be recreating the Angelica Houston, however you say her name, version of her, because I absolutely just love the vibe, all of that. So let's go ahead and get started and do everything we need to look just like her. So the very first step, as always, is going to be washing your face, and then from there, moisturize. I used my CeraVe lotion to moisturize my face and make sure that everything was all in check. After that, now we can go in and start the makeup process. Morticia has typically kind of a lower neckline, V neckline look. I did not have any V neckline dresses, so I'm going with the high neckline vibe. And she's very pale. So we're gonna go in with my classic lovely clown white paint. What I'm going to do is grab a knife and take the clown white and just take a little bit off from the paint and stick that on a little plate. It's going to make it a lot easier for the application process. Another great option that you would have if you looked like me today, full of pimples, full of acne, all of this stuff happening, I don't know what's going on, is using a color corrector. I would use generally a green one to counterbalance the red, but I do not have any on me right now. I'm fresh out. So just as a note, color correction would be a good option since she is a very pale color. But we'll go ahead and jump in straight up with the white. What you're going to need is a sponge. I have this just general wedge sponge, and I wet it just a little bit, just in regular water from your sink. And I'm gonna dip that into the white paint, and from there start the, start the white application process. Why is it not doing what I want it to do? Start the white application process. She is not white. It is more so just like a tint. So you're gonna want to just kind of lightly apply it all over your entire face. After you have finished doing your face, one option that you do have, side note, is also to paint your ears, but I will be putting on a wig at the end of this, so it should be covering my ears, but that is something that you can think about. But the next step is going to be setting everything in place. I'm going to be using the RCMA translucent powder and just packing that all over my face just to make sure that this white doesn't move. Grabbing just a general brush, dipping it in there, and packing it on. This is a look that is very heavy on the powder as well, so just make sure that when you are doing this look that you do fully hydrate your skin, because it is going to be very dry after you complete it. From here, I am just going to take a general white eyeshadow. The one that I'm going to be using is going to be from the James Charles palette, and I'm just going to use that to pack over my eyelids to make sure that it has a true white color. You can also do the same all over the face if you would like as well. In my T-zones, such as here, here, and here, and here in my nose, I'm also gonna take that same white eyeshadow and just make sure that it's all highlighted and white. My skin is not looking very good, but it's okay. We all have those days. From here, right, we're gonna go in and we are going to do the contouring that Morticia has. So I'm gonna use just a black toned, what is it called? Black toned color from the James Charles and start the contour process. Since this is black, you do want to move slow. Take it easy. From here, we are going to jump into the eyes next. The eyes. So I'm going to be using the BH Foils 28 Color Eyes eyeshadow palette. They have really pretty gray colors in which we're going to use to contour the eye itself. I'm going to be going in with the top tone of the silver and start off with that first. Then we're gonna take the gray tone that's immediately under there and do the same thing. Darkening out the outer line. Next, I'm gonna be taking the shimmery color that is in the top corner and using that to highlight the brow bone. And then also highlight the inner eye. From here, we're gonna do a eyeliner. I'm gonna go in with my House Labs eyeliner that I have. And you don't require a crazy cat eye. You just need a very simple kind of one swoop with a slight cat eye at the end. So be very patient. Now that we have the eyeliner on the top, what we're gonna wanna do is smoke out the bottom as well. So we're gonna take that same gray tone that we used, the darker version on our top eyelid, and we're going to use that color with kind of a small blendable brush and do that on our lower lash line. And then we're going to go in with our black eyeliner once more and eyeline our lower lash line as well. The eyes are basically almost done. All you're going to need now is to put on some mascara of your choice. When it also comes to your eyebrows, it's really up to preference on how you want to do them. Personally, I have pretty thick brows that I like to just keep. So I am just kind of erasing the white and letting them pop through, but of course everybody is different. When it comes to her cheekbones, it doesn't look like she has much blush on, but we are gonna add it just a little bit. From the looks of it, she has a very old school glam vibe, so we're gonna go in with a more corally tone. I'm going to be going in with my, what I've named number 1 in the top corner. And we're just going to ever so slightly give ourselves a little color. And then the final step is going to be our lipstick. I'm going to go in with the Kylie Cosmetics Matte Liquid Lip in the color Mary Jo K. And now let's put on this wig. And this completes the Morticia Addams makeup look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did creating it. And I would love to see your guys' looks. So please don't forget to tag me in your looks if you followed this video. My Instagram is @MutraMakeup. And of course, you are watching Nicolette here with Mutra Makeup. Thank you guys so much, and we will see you guys in the next video. See ya!